Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make cucumber toner. It's very quick, easy and very refreshing for the summers when you're out on the go and you're just back from this heat. You can just spray it on your face and all your tiredness would go away. You'll be feeling refreshed and you can use. I have taken one full-sized cucumber. I'm gonna leave this much for like later use. I'm gonna take these pieces. I have sliced them in small pieces and I'm putting in my blender, and then 3 more. Yes, and now I'll be back. I'll just blend them and I'll be back to you. Okay, so I have blended this cucumber here and it looks somewhat like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm taking a big bowl and a strainer. Make sure that the bowl is clean and the strainer as well, because if it's been used for some other purposes, it might not just be good enough to strain the cucumber, because that one is going to go on your face. So you have to be careful with the utensils you use. I'm telling you this because once what happened is the blender was used by my mom for grinding chilies, and then she kept it on the countertop, and then I was going to use it. It was lucky enough that I was warned by her that she hasn't washed the blender. So yeah, I got saved. Otherwise I would have chili burning all over my face. So yeah, make sure the utensils are clean. Take the blender and pour all the content inside this. Make sure you get all the bits. If you want, you can add slight little bit, like 2-3 tablespoons of water to get all the contents out. And you can see all the juice has been strained out right here. That's the potent juice we have right there, and that is going to be our toner. And for this paste, don't waste it, don't throw it away. Either massage this on your face, put it under eye, in fridge before 5 minutes, and then just put it laying on your face just like you would an aloe vera gel, or make yourself a refreshing summer drink. So I'm gonna take all this. So now some people might be thinking that that paste is not good enough for using to drink, but it's cucumber, 100% cucumber. The strainer was clean, the vessel was clean, blender was clean, everything was clean. So I'm gonna take that paste in the bottle. That's no wastage. So we're going to make sure that our body is good and clean and fresh from inside out. And now I'm gonna add eyeball like 5 to 10 drops of lemon juice in it, or like a tablespoon as per your liking, because the bottle is big enough. Now for the blender part, you can see it still has some paste inside. So what I'm going to do is fill it up with water, cold filled blender. I'm gonna pour this inside. And while I'm chilling in the summer, I'm gonna sip on this detox drink and enjoy the summer. So yeah, you got 2 things out of half a cucumber. That is a toner for your face and a drink for yourself. And now for the toner, I will show you how to store it. For storing the cucumber toner, I have this teensy tiny small little spray bottle, and I got this from Michael's for $1.50. But you can get it literally anywhere. I can say maybe dollar store is a good place to find these. But the only problem is dollar store sells them in like 3 packet of 3 with 2 bottles and 1 spray bottle, and I didn't need the 2 other bottles, so I got this one from Michael's, and mine is 55% off on this one, so it was literally like 60 cents. So yeah, that's the bottle. Now I'm gonna open it up, and then I'm gonna put a small funnel and just That's the leftover. You can mix it in here. Or I can tell you one idea. Just soak 2 cotton pads, soak them in this, lay it under your eyes, and your dark circles will be gone. Even you can make like, just store them in like the ice tray that you have, make them ice cubes form, and then just rub it on your face. Or mix in some multani mitti, fuller's clay, bentonite clay, whichever clay you have, mix in here, apply it on your face, and your face will be tight and refreshed, and your pores will be completely closed, and you will have all the cooling in the world on your face. That's even better. So I have this toner here in the bottle. Now you must be wondering why I fill them in like a small teensy tiny spray bottle. That's cause I like to make myself fresh cucumber juice, like the toner itself, in every 7 days, and this much spray bottle is good enough for me for 7 days. So I make it in small batches, cause after 7 days it will go bad, and even for 7 days you might wanna keep them in refrigerator. That's a good idea. And what's better is, like, when you keep them in refrigerator, it lasts longer, like it's fresh for more days, and you get the cold toner. So like when you just put it in your face, all your pores will be just closed instantly, and your face will be so like refreshed with the cold toner. So yeah, it's just keeping this in fridge for like 7 days. And that's it for this video, guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you like such more videos. I can make a cucumber like a facial, like a full 3-step cucumber facial, or some other cucumber stuff, or more DIY that I always end up doing with like different seasonal fruits and stuff. So I like to keep my skincare more on a natural side. So let me know in the comment section below if you would like to see such more videos, and subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and just like the video, share it, and yeah, see you in my next one. Bye bye.